this video, I'm going to show you how to pin documents as well as pin URLs in Slingshot. So in my Pins tab, if I come here to plus pin, you can see I have a few different options. So if I wanted to pin a URL, I will select URL, I will paste in, and then it'll automatically pull in the title of the web page that I'm pulling in. I can change this though if I want to. I can change it to my Slingshot homepage, and then I can pin my web link. This is a really easy way for you to be able to pull together different links and resources from around the web or within other systems that you need quick access to. Also, within the pin area, I can come here now and I can select documents. Here, I would navigate to my document that I want to pin, and it's just like navigating through my folders within OneDrive. I would select the document, and I can also select multiple as well if I wanted to, and simply click pin. This is now a reference back to that exact file that I just pinned. There's no limit to what you can pin within this area. It really allows you to organize your content super effectively. And you can also bring together different files from any of your cloud providers like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, or even SharePoint.